If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat can create new PDFs in different ways. However, there are three main methods to create a new PDF in Acrobat. To create a new PDF in Acrobat, click the Create tab in the title bar. Note that if you hover over this button with your mouse pointer, a pop-up menu appears showing the Create a PDF, Combine Files, and Open Files commands. You can also click the Create a PDF command in this menu to create a PDF. Alternatively, click the Create a PDF tool in either the All Tools panel or the Tools view in Acrobat. Using any of these methods then shows the default New Document view in a New Document tab in the title bar. The New Document view in Acrobat shows different ways to create new PDF files from which you can then select. Alternatively, to create a new PDF, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, and then roll over the Create command in the drop-down menu to show a side menu of additional commands you can use to select the specific method to use to create a new PDF. These choices correspond to the PDF creation choices shown in the New Document view in Acrobat. In the Create a PDF from any format screen within the standard New Document view, the left side of the screen shows 6 PDF creation option links. To create a new PDF from a single document, like a Word document, click the Single File option. This is the default option. Alternatively, to combine multiple files into a single PDF, select the Multiple Files link. Alternatively, to create a PDF from a file within a connected scanner, click the Scanner link. Alternatively, to create a PDF from a website URL or HTML document, click the Web Page link. Alternatively, to create a PDF from the copied contents of your computer's clipboard, select the Clipboard link. Finally, to create a blank PDF from scratch, click the Blank Page link. When you select a link at the left side of the Create a PDF screen, the content to the right then changes to show the specific options for the selected choice. Notice the active choice to the left appears blue and also highlights the gray line dividing the screen. You then select specific options at the right side of the screen for your selected PDF creation choice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.